basic cleaning of Code's products. Code products are purpose-built for each industry they are used in. For the healthcare industry, hospitals, clinics, emergency rooms, and labs. That means infectious disease control is the main focus from before the products even exist. Code plastics have been assigned a level rating to indicate the type of chemical cleaner each reader is designed to withstand. Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3 with Code Shield. The Code Shield plastic used in our CR2700, CR7000, CR1500, and other products was designed to withstand the harsh chemical cleansers and disinfectants used in healthcare facilities. You can find a link to user guides in the video description or on www.codecorp.com. To clean Level 1, Level 2, and Code Shield plastic, follow these 6 steps. Number 1. Verify the model of device you are cleaning and select the correct disinfectant level cleaner for the device. Number 2. Use the correct cleaner to wipe all surfaces with a new or clean cloth or wipe. Number 3. Follow recommended amount of dilution of cleaner as noted by the product packaging. Number 4. Do not leave streaks or traces of cloth on the device scan window to maintain a clear view angle and function. Number 5. Wipe down device cables, charging bays, and batteries, making sure to dry all surfaces before using the device. Number 6. Dispose of cloths or wipes used in the disinfection process as directed to prevent any transmission of pathogens.